Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to make straight lines with shortcuts in Word but don't know how to, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to make straight lines with shortcuts in Word. So let's get into the video. First, open Word and take a blank document. Once you are in this blank document, click on Insert. Then you will see a drop-down box of shapes. Click on Shape. And if you hover on these shapes, you will see a thing called line. Click on it. As we want straight lines, we just need lines for that. So give a left click on your mouse and make it as long or short you want. Place it anywhere you want and just, yeah, that's how you can make straight lines with shortcuts in Word. That's for today. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.